Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. How is the squad today? I know you guys are looking fantastic and I am so happy to see you. So as you can see, we're painting these tips in this gorgeous black color from Modelones. We love Modelones on this channel. They don't know us. We're not sponsored by them, but our love doesn't come from sponsorships. It comes from good product, and Modelones does a really nice job. So we're gonna go ahead and get all these tips done. We're gonna have some fun today with some colorful, almost rainbow, but not quite rainbow nails. Keeping it in that rainbow family though, because we do love Pride and it is still Pride Month. Although I wouldn't say these are particularly Pride nails, but they are really funky and they are very awesome and they are very tie-dye and flowy. So we are gonna call these flowy, fun tie-dye nails. We're gonna do 2 coats of that black, and while those are curing, we're gonna go ahead and grab the colors we're gonna work with today. We are gonna mix and match again because I do not have all the colors I want in one brand. So we've got a little Beetles. We got Beetles down there. We've got some Elite 99, and Elite 99 is gonna play 3 roles in these nails. And then we are going to use another color, sort of a color, I guess, that's not gonna get dotted down here. We're gonna put it directly on the nails, and that's gonna come from Laguna Moon, and it's a very clear, here we go, clear pink shimmery goodness. And we're gonna use that as a layer to lay down the stripes without curing. We're not doing any curing. I want these to spread out almost like blooming gel, but not as fast as blooming gel would do, right? I need to get some blooming gel, guys. Okay, while I put these stripes down, let me tell you, if my voiceover is a tiny bit echoey or tinny, it's because I'm in the bathroom. I do not want to turn the air conditioner off. It's very loud, but it's 100 degrees outside and it's humid. And I don't want to turn it off, so I'm hiding in the bathroom. So you probably still hear a little noise from the fans and the air and the echoiness. So I apologize for that. I should have done this last night, but I kind of punked out. So I'm sorry. Okay, so now you just saw what I was doing, but we're gonna repeat that. And basically, we're just laying down these stripes and then cleaning off our brush. And you've seen the technique, everybody's doing it right now, and then we're gonna drag it, and it gives it kind of a marble effect, but really more of a tie-dye effect. And you want to go up and you wanna go down. You wanna have your lines coming in multiple directions, because that's what gives you that real draggy look. It's so, so pretty. Oh, we could call these drag nails. Ah! I've been watching that show on HBO Max called Legendary. There's 2 seasons. If you guys haven't seen it and you have the HBO Max, highly recommend it. If you don't have it and a friend has it, go to their house and watch it. It is so, so good. It's all about the gay ballroom scene, and it is so brilliant and so amazing. I love it. It's a competition. It's fun. It's bitchy. Oops, bitchy. Sorry. And I love it. I hope you guys will check it out and let me know what you think if you haven't watched it already. And again, we're not sponsored. I just love a thing. So we're just gonna keep doing this across all the nails, and most of the nails are gonna have just a tiny bit of the tie-dye action. We're flowing it across the nails. I'm not trying to completely fill the nails until we get to that pinky, which I think ended up being my favorite one. So you'll have to let me know which one do you like the best. There's always one favorite nail, right? Always a favorite nail. So let me know which one you like the best in the comment section. And you know, while you're down there, there's some buttons. You could click those buttons. Need a little more pink. We are down to the pinky nail. This is so pretty. I love that pink color. I love all these colors together. I think they are a perfect combo. That green is giving me all the vibes. I really want to do a green set soon. I really do. So my daughter took me on a little shopping trip, and I think pretty soon I'm gonna have to do something matchy with what she bought me. So Make sure you hit that subscribe button because you ain't gonna wanna miss that one. I think it's gonna be pretty good. I just haven't quite figured out what to do yet, but I've got some thoughts. I might have to buy some stuff too. We'll see. We'll see what I need. We'll see. And now what we're doing is coming in with, again, we're revisiting the Modelones, and this is their glitter gels in the pots. And this one is a black, it's black with gold holographic glitter in it. And I just thought it would make a nice little frame for our flows. And I don't think I was wrong, you guys. I think it came out pretty cute. Now, because this kind of glitter, it's very chunky, and it does lay flat, but it's kind of thick, and so it does actually leave some lumpy bumpies. So what I'm gonna do is double base coat these, and because that makes a thick nail, what it's gonna allow me to do is come in and buff the shape back into the nail while not removing the glitter, right? And that's what we're gonna do now. I'm just gonna show one nail because, and this is super sped up, this is double time, guys. I'm not a bionic. How awesome would it be to be bionic? Just saying. Okay, then once you get everything buffed and to the shape that you like, clean everything off, and then we'll come in with our final top coat. And don't forget, when you are top coating, double cure that, okay? And I'm not sure I've even mentioned that before, but I started following that advice from a few different places, different channels. It just really, really super bakes in and hardens that top coat, and that shine is so protected. So 2 minutes on the base coat, or rather the top coat, because it's going to really give you that nice protected shine. This is our finished set, guys. Let me know what you think of them in the comment section below. Also, don't forget to request anything you'd like to see me attempt on the channel. I'd love to do that for you. We will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.